Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve yellow screen problem on Windows 11. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 10 or Windows 8. So search here color management. Open color management. Now here select your current display. Then click on use my settings for this device. Click on now here click on add, and underneath ICC profiles select this first one, sRGB. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this is a setting guys, you can fix and resolve yellow screen problem on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.